this video, we're going to do another exploration of the attachment. Again, this is available to you in various areas of QuickBooks, such as the Employee Center, such as the Customer Center, as well as the Vendor Center. So when I click on the word attachment, you're going to see where I had attached previously the Cash Flow Stress Test Excel. Now, if I want to remove it, I simply check on the box and I click the word detach. Now, it was still on my desktop. It will always be on my desktop unless I remove it from the desktop. However, another copy has actually been put into the attach folder on your computer. If I want to see the details, I want to see Cash Flow Stress Test Excel. I cannot change the name. However, if I wanted to put a title here, if I want to put a description, keywords, specific comments, then I can do that. Down here it says added by admin, which is the administrator of the QuickBooks file. Date, the size of the file, the format. It's a Microsoft Office Excel worksheet. So again, as I said, I can open up the document, I can detach the document, but the only way I'm going to be able to do that is if I actually go down here and have the box clicked and then simply detach it, or as I said, I can actually open up the document too. That's available to me. So as I said, what's going to happen is that you can have multiple attachments to a particular transaction, etc. But again, you need to make sure that you back up everything, because even though you may back up your QuickBooks file, what's going to happen then is that you're going to have a separate folder called attach, and that word attach is for every QuickBooks file that you have for each company. And as you can kind of see, here's the document that I was opening up. For more videos like this, please see and subscribe to my YouTube channel.